In September 2022, I was lucky enough to be able to do my nursing assistant internship at Saint Lambert Center in Belgium. The center follows a Canadian working model, and it is far cry from what we know. For instance, the resident can choose different activities to do during the week: drumming, Zumba, painting, art. They can even sell their works in exhibitions. In addition, they have a store where they sell their artworks to the inhabitants of Andenne, the village where the center is located. They also have a barter store where residents and non-residents can exchange books, films, jewelry, and everyday objects. Unlike what we know, the residents live in-house instead of residents, grouped according to age and autonomy. This makes them feel more independent, although there is always an educator who supervises them. My internship there has consisted of doing the different activities with the users and accompanying them in their daily lives. There was also leisure time, which I took advantage of to get to know the beautiful country of Belgium and to taste its rich gastronomy. Without a doubt, it is an experience that I highly recommend.